ninjas, this is the Oukitel WP22 front selfie camera, full HD video test. Maximum that you can get 1080p, 30 FPS. That's it. Let's check out here the video stability. I don't think it's that great, but you could use, guys, different third-party camera app which has a digital video stability. So you can use that option. You can check out my YouTube channel tutorial for that one.
Okay guys, we are testing right now the night vision camera. Of course, this is also one of the best selling points of this smartphone. In my opinion, the top 10 best things about this device is the night vision video camera. Not just picture, but also video. Have that in mind, guys. Have that in mind that you can also record videos with this night vision camera on the back at 20 megapixel, which is superb. Check it out, guys. So I'm recording right now. Check it out with this camera, which I'm recording this video. I can't see anything in the dark. What here? Black and white night vision camera here with the Oukitel WP22 is working just fine. Picture is also really great. We're gonna take another picture. Let's take another picture of my perfume. Let's bring it here. There you go. You can see all the details. Let's open it. Yes, guys, really great quality. That's a really great quality picture. Okay, guys, I'll show you more pictures which are done outside. There you go. Check this out. Another picture. Great quality, guys. Great for this price tag. Obviously, this is not $1,000 phone. I want to check. Can we yes. Check it out. I wrote something with my pen, and yes, I can see this. I can see this with the camera, with the photo, and with the video. I can see all the details, and probably you guys can also see. Check it out, guys. Which is very nice. They can catch also these kind of letter details in the dark. That's very impressive. Let's go now and show you basically the rest of the samples. Okay guys, I showed you the night vision camera. Let's use the normal camera at the night to see what kind of results we can get. This is with the with the flash. Oh, sorry for that. Which is very weird. This flash doesn't work correctly, so you have to turn it to be turned on constantly. There you go. We're gonna take the picture of this watch. I'm going to take it now without the flashlight. We're going to turn it off, the flashlight. And take the perfume. There you go. Let's check the results for the end. Here's the result without the flashlight. And here's with the flashlight. Very impressive. Flashlight is very bright, guys. I mean, you can judge by yourself. It's very, very bright. Okay, just a minute. I'm going to go back. Show you again. This is without the night vision camera, and this is with the flashlight. Big difference. Let's go next. Showing a lot of samples, man, with this phone, bro.
Okay, ninjas, this is the Oukitel WP22 open camera app, video digital stabilization feature on. Basically, the default camera app doesn't support any kind of stabilization, video, digital, optical stabilization, electronic stabilization, nothing at all. So this is really nice to have a third-party app from Play Store for free, which you can use and have this kind of quality. Not bad at all, guys. What do you think? Okay, ninjas, this is right now Oukitel WP22 with open camera with the video digital stabilization turned on, 2K test. Okay, ninjas, this is the open camera app selfie test with Oukitel WP22 with the video digital video stability test and stabilization is turned on with it. What do you think? Does it work? And how the quality it is? Check it out. Let's go next. Okay, Oukitel WP22. This is 4K test handheld footage, guys. So I checked the stability. Probably it's not that great. It's a rugged phone. Usually most of the rugged phones don't have a video stability option like optical image stabilization. But there you go. Let me know what you think about this quality. There we go, more 1080p test. This is Sarajevo, Bosnian old flags. Rugged phone. "4K pigeons on the snow." Check it out. Nice. Okay, now we are testing 1080p resolution, 30 FPS, handheld footage, video stability test. What do you think? What is the difference between 4K and 1080p? Can you notice the difference, guys? In the quality and in the stability and in the frame rate, obviously. Let's go next. what?